Dave Fazell here with Gleam team. We recently cleaned a spice shop in Spring Hill called Slice and Spice, and this video you're about to watch is us cleaning that floor. Some of the footage didn't turn out right, so the video doesn't have everything in it that I wanted to put, but you kind of get the gist of it. I think it's a cool video. If you like watching cleaning videos, this one's for you. This is going to be cleaner than you've ever had it. I can already tell the stuff with grease spray on it.
What?
This is going to be cleaner than that floor's ever been. I can already tell this by putting grease spray on it. Yeah.
Oh. That's crazy. Yeah. Like I'm waiting at the boat. Yeah.
Alright, not sure how well this is showing on camera, but you did see us cleaning it up, so huge difference. We're going to do this area now, this little back area, and then we will be wrapping it up. Alright, we're all done in here, but you see the little brighter in here so you can see the color difference of the floor when it's clean, all the spices off of it. Now, the byproduct that we didn't expect was we're gonna have to clean all our hoses. They're covered with spice and our shoes. right, that is a wrap for Slice and Spice in Spring Hill, Kansas. Floor looked great. I'll be curious to see what the client thinks. I'm pretty sure they'll be happy.